Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to connect our mobile camera to Teams and stream the video to the students. Here we can directly write on notebook and we can stream the notebook footage to students. This is very useful for those who are teaching mathematics, derivation, some equations, programming languages, and for drawing the architectures. In Teams we have whiteboard, but it is very difficult to write using whiteboard. So here I am connecting my mobile phone to Teams and using mobile phone camera to capture the whiteboard, and we can directly stream that notebook to the students. Now we can directly write on notebook and we can stream to the students. Let's begin the process. First, install Droidcam wireless cam in your mobile. Next, in laptop, open your favorite browser and go to Google, type Droidcam client and install it. Now open Droidcam client in your mobile and laptop, and mobile and laptop must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First open in mobile, there you get IP address and port number. This is the IP address and port number, and enter the IP address and port number in Droidcam client, which is there in the laptop. Now mobile and laptop get connected. Now adjust the height of the mobile and place the mobile on the top of the notebook. Please carefully adjust the height and direction. Now whatever you write on the notebook will be streamed to laptop. Now we will see how this Droidcam will be connected to Teams app. So first schedule the meeting. Here click on three dots, which is more actions. Now go to show device settings, and there you can find camera option. And in camera option we have two options are there. First, Droidcam shows 3 and integrated webcam. Integrated webcam means laptop camera. Droidcam shows is mobile camera. So select Droidcam shows 3. And you start writing on the notebook. The same will be sent to the student's laptop. This is student laptop, and here they will get whatever you write on the notebook. This is student system. Now this is the faculty system. Here we are using notebook. On top of the notebook we have mobile, which is directly connected to the laptop. Now we'll see how to share the PPT. So here in student system, student is getting the PPT. This is faculty system. And in camera option you can change the camera to integrated webcam, so you get your face.